Introducing the 6-inch Backsplash Extension Kit. It comes with 4 6-inch 40mm tubes and 4 of our famous 37mm union tubes. Now we're going to go ahead and take our tape measure and we'll make a mark in the center of the union couplers. This mark will let us know now how far to slide it up inside of that tube. So we'll go ahead and slide it up inside of the tube now, all the way to that mark. And now we'll go ahead and lock it in with one of our screws on one side. And that way it'll be ready to insert into our backsplash kit, the 4-foot standard backsplash kit that's sold separately. Okay, so we're going to use our low profile screw and we're going to lock this in. And now we'll repeat that on all 4 of these. So here we have our standard 4-foot long by 41-inch high backsplash kit. We've already started assembling it, but before we put on the other end of the catcher track, we want to add our 6-inch extension kit. So now we have it all laid out here, and we'll go ahead and start inserting our 6-inch extensions with those unions. They just slide. Look how easy they slide in. This is such a nice little kit to make a 6-inch taller backsplash for a total of a 12-inch high backsplash. And now you'll just go ahead and you'll lock it in with a low profile screw on the other side of the union. And you'll do that on all 4 of them. It's that easy with the 6-inch extension kit for backsplash. It's really nice when everything's pre-cut and so easy to assemble. We put a lot of time into creating these kits. It's for homeowners and contractors to make it fun and easy. Look at how fast that went. Now we just go ahead and slip on the catcher track, screw it in on one side, and now we have a nice taller backsplash kit. We go ahead and take our completed backsplash kit and we're going to go ahead and install it up against the back of the module like we always do. We like to use the unions on the bottom and the straight long piece towards the top, you see, like this. That seems to work the best. And now we, just like we showed in another video, we just lock it in with the connector plates. Look at what a nice tall backsplash this has become here. Very nice, plenty of room for electrical boxes. You could even have nice to do beautiful tile work back here on your backsplash. Or if you have that grill, it really protects people from touching that grill on the back, especially children. So it could be a good safety feature behind the grill. It could also help block the wind from hitting into your grill. If you live in a windy area, you might really want to add this extension kit. And remember, the 6-inch extension kit is sold separately from the standard backsplash kit. So if you want to do this, you would buy both kits for every 4-foot section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.